Imagine waking up early in the morning, you just grabbed your mobile phone and you see a new notification saying congratulations, you've just earned $151.87. It's a direct deposit in your bank account, and immediately you receive another notification congratulating you, you just made another $337, and this will automatically be deposited into your PayPal account. This has become something really usual for me and many other people who know the secret. We receive notifications like this daily and sometimes even hourly. But today, you could be one of us. This very short video will change your entire perspective about making money online that you've never seen before. I'm going to review a total of 5 different apps that will pay you automatically with no work. Well, not entirely zero work because you still have to download the application and log in every day to claim your money. Anyway, they are all 100% free, no credit cards and no investment needed at all. And yes, they work in the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines and every single other country. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way until the end to learn all of these 5 apps, because the more apps that you use, the more money you are going to make. But before we start, I want to say welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest ways. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns or questions about the video, please leave a comment down below as well. Now, let's go back to the video. The first app that I will show you today, where you can earn a lot of money by simply downloading them for free on your phone, is called InstaGC. Now, you can go on InstaGC, and once again, this works on both your Android phones and your iOS devices. And in fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices you are using, just so we can get a clear idea. Basically, when you go onto the Facebook page of InstaGC, as you can see here, that's the name and that's the logo now. Right here on their Facebook page, they're going to show you all of the payment proof, and they're super transparent about it. As you can see here, congratulations for redeeming such PayPal amount. Now, right here you can see the actual payment proof. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account or bank account, you can also redeem your money in free Amazon gift cards. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as you can see here, you can earn points for things that you already do online. Say for example, you can complete some simple surveys just by clicking on a few buttons and you can get paid. Why not? And if you have 10 or 20 minutes of free time a day, you can simply search on the web. You can browse on different websites and search on Google, and you will get paid for every single minute that you spend surfing the web. I personally prefer this method, which is watching videos. This is one of my favorite because what you can do is that you can simply click on the play button and let the video run at the background. And you can open up multiple tabs to watch a lot of other videos at the same time. And on top of that, when you're watching the videos, you can go on to do some surveys or search in the web. And that's how you can build multiple streams of income from just one click. Now, if you want to download this app, all you gotta do is join InstaGC using Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Otherwise, you can just simply put in your username and your password and email address and click on this button to sign up. And you can instantly get 10 points for free as well. Now, moving on to the second app. This app is actually called App Karma. Now, you can earn rewards by simply playing with this app, and this is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money, and the best thing about this is that they are working on both iOS and Android devices. Now, you can earn the points on this app. You can literally redeem them on PayPal or different top brand gift cards. So all you gotta do is click on this button to grab App Karma right on your phone, and once you install this app, you can instantly get 300 points for free, and every 100 point actually equals to $1, which means they're going to give you away $3 for free. If you want to multiply your earnings and make money online on App Karma, you can also refer other people to this app. So you can see here, you can simply share your invite link or your referral code, and you can earn 30% of whatever your referrals earn. Now, say for example, if you refer one person, Now, let's say if they make $100, you can earn $30 for free without doing anything. And that's crazy. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Last but not least, the reason why this app is so powerful is because you can simply log in. You can see here you can earn daily rewards by simply logging into this app. And on top of that, every single time when you complete certain achievements or once you finish certain tasks, they're going to give you different badges. And all of these badges will help you to level up. As you can see here, you can increase your reward level every single time you earn all of these badges, and that's going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus. And you can literally multiply your earnings. Say for example, you are making $100, you can go and turn $100 into $125 by simply using these badges, and that's absolutely insane. So make sure to check out all of the achievement badges and get as much revenue as possible. Now, moving on to the app number 3 that I want to show you today, it's called CashKick. You can go into cashkick.com on this website. They are not using any point system. They straight away pay you cold hard cash. So basically, cash is the greatest reward. They'll basically deposit all of the cash into your account. They can do bank transfer and they can do PayPal money transfer. So once again, on this website, you can answer different surveys. You can find different great deals. You can watch different videos and you can surf the web. And this is basically very similar to InstaGC, but they're going to pay you even more money compared to InstaGC. And once again, I want you to focus on watching videos because that's going to pay you the most amount of money. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is to put in your email address and password and click on this button to get started right away. Now, moving on to app number 4. The name of the app is SuperPay. Now, you can go into superpay.me. Basically, you can make money online with free paid surveys, and they're really fast payment. They pay you within 24 hours. You can receive your money within that time, and they have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home and you can do as much or as little as you want, and once you join for free, you can instantly get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. And at the time when I'm recording this video, they've already paid out over $3 million to all of the members worldwide right on this app. And once again, the concept here is really simple. You can join today for free and instantly receive 20 cents bonus when you join. And you can take part in different surveys and complete different offers. And once again, you can get paid and cash out your earnings in many different payment options. For example, PayPal money, Tango gift card, Amazon gift cards, Krill, and check this out. They're super transparent about all their payment proof. You can see who has been paid today, and right on here you can see all of the members' names, all of the usernames, and they show you all of the payment types. You can see here most of them they cash out using PayPal, and you can also see the earnings. So all you gotta do is just click on the button right here and you can see here, join free today. Just click on that and that's going to bring you to this page where you can register for free. Now just fill up your personal details right here and your mailing address. And once again, they're accepting people from different countries in the world. And this is accepting worldwide. So right now, what I want you to do is to comment down below and tell me what country you are from, so I can create more videos for you in my future videos. So right now, you can just enter your payment details right here, so they can pay you once you complete all of the tasks, and you can just read on to the terms and conditions. Click on this I'm not a robot and create a free account. Now moving on to the final app, which is crazy, and the name here is actually Smart App. You can go to smartapp.io, and once again, basically you can install and download this app for free on your mobile phone and without doing anything. You can receive money every single month. So basically this is how it works. You can sign up for a free account and take a very simple survey to make sure that you are getting accepted. And after that, once you qualified, you can install the app. Make sure you turn on your mobile phone every single day and you can receive free cash on your mobile phone. Now, if you want to install this app and sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is click on this button, I would like to sign up. And that's going to take you to this page to answer a simple survey. And once you qualify, you can install this app on your phone and you can earn passive income without doing anything. So once again, basically, these are all the apps that you can install for free today on your mobile phone and earn passive income again and again. And that's it. Before we end this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to stay alert for new and fresh ways that we post every single day. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.